Hi guys, I just wanted to show you some of the progress I made in the last couple of weeks with Logisticspipes. Unfortunately, development has taken a bit longer than I anticipated, mostly because I constantly came up with new stuff I wanted to add. So I will probably not be releasing a new version for quite some time because I'm gonna be quite busy in real life for the next couple of weeks. But still, I wanted to show you something on what I've been working on. First of all, this is, if you're not familiar with Logisticspipes, it's a system for routing items using Buildcraft. So all these black pipes with the red and green dots are router pipes. And a feature I added, mostly for debugging purposes, is if you right-click any of these pipes without an item equipped, it will actually give you a visual display of the path through the pipe network that connects this one to every other router pipe. So as you can see, from this pipe, in order to go to this pipe, it goes here, and the similar way to all other pipes connected to the in the network, the routing network. I mostly did this for debugging purposes, just to visualize any bugs I might have in the routing, but it actually looks kind of cool. So most likely I will add an item that you can craft to display this. It's a toggle, so you can toggle it on and off, and if you select another one, it will change. This is my development world, by the way. So everything here is just my when I build something and test it, I put it here. And you can see if I use this one, for example, this path here will not be lit, because in order to go from this pipe to this one, it will go this way, and to go to that way, it will go this way. So this one is not actually needed in this case. If I do this one instead, it will not use this one. So basically that's just something I added for debugging, but it looks cool, so I might keep it. I might change the laser texture though. This is a Buildcraft laser texture, and they're also red and blue, and I haven't quite finalized which one I want to use. Maybe I'll make it configurable. Also, I've added a default route for items. So this pipe here, it's any planks will be routed to this pipe, and also I have selected it to be the default route. So any items that is not specifically requested by any other routing pipe, logistics pipe, will be routed here at a much lower reduced speed, by the way. So the speed of the routing for normal pipes is the same, equivalent to a golden pipe. So it will be quite fast in the routing, but it's much reduced for the default route. It's still faster than normal Buildcraft, but still. Also, I added 3 new pipes, as you can see here. I just made the texture different to visualize it. Oh, another thing I added is actually the side textures here. They can change depending on if it's connected or not. So if I remove that one, this one turns red, and if I add it again, it will turn green, just to visualize that there is a router at the end of this exit. And as you can see from these ones, they're not. Back to the additional pipes that I added. This one is a provider pipe. It will extract items from nearby chests that are requested by this pipe, which is a requester pipe. So for instance, I have here, let's take some dirt actually, and if I right click on a request pipe with an item equipped, I will actually request it to be routed to this, and it actually will take the amount you have in the inventory as well. So if I right click with these ones, I will get 2 dirt from that chest. And this one works from basically anywhere connected in the routing network. So now I have 4. I can right click again and I should get 4. And by doing that, I actually figured out that another cool feature would be to have a this one, which is I called for now crafting pipe. For now, it actually has its own interface. You put which items that it requires and the expected output, like here. So this is different from, for instance, a crafting table. This one will not actually craft the things. To do that, you would need to attach it to a crafting table, which actually is configured in the same way as this pipe, or yeah. And the purpose of this, of course, is that now I can request, for instance, let's see, I don't have any wood there, good. I have this one configured to make planks from wood, and this one will make sticks from wood, and this one will make wooden gear from sticks. You can probably see where this is going. So if I take my wooden gear and click on this guy, items will be extracted, it will be sent, and I will get my gear. And as you can see, when you craft a gear from one wood, there will be some extra planks, and that will be taken care of because this guy here is actually requesting planks. So any excess planks will be routed back to here. And if I craft one more, it will use those planks to make another of this one. And my concept of this is that actually in the end you should be able to make kind of an automatic craft anything from the most basic items you have. My vision is that this pipe will actually work with, for instance, furnaces and stuff as well. So it will, you can tell it that if I put iron ore in, I will get iron bars. So if you don't have any iron bars but you have iron ore, this guy will request it from any attached chest with a provider and put it in, and when it's done it will extract it and send it to wherever you want it. And another thing I want to do is I want to make a proper user interface for this guy, so you can actually kind of keep track of all the items you might have in an attached chest and give you a sum of it, and also maybe some drop and order interface instead of just clicking this one. You can also create more than one at the same time, which should work here. We'll get 2 gears. And this one is expandable, so for instance if I want redstone engines, I could just add what's needed here and attach them to the network, and they will be also considered when crafting items. So yeah, basically that's my progress so far. I'm kind of excited about this one because this is what I have been lacking in Minecraft with mods, a way to set up, so if I need some basic items I don't really want to craft them myself. And yeah, it's gonna take a while for me to actually make this a finalized version. I'm currently running this through Eclipse, so it's not even installable at the moment. But after the next couple of weeks I should have more time to actually keep developing this mod, because I'm if nothing else I really want to use it myself in my worlds. Hopefully you would see a purpose for it as well, and if you like it, you're welcome to try it then. But it's gonna take at least a couple of weeks, but I wanted to make this video to kind of keep you updated if you're interested in the development. So until next time, catch you later.